Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TECNO Spark Go 1. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.